จ๊ะจ๊ะไอ้ยา
Looks like someone just turned into a portable cat tree. This kitten is one blink away from entering dreamland. The universe could be shaking, and this little fluff would still be out cold. When the subject is advanced napping, this kitty gets an A+. With two fluffy coworkers snoozing peacefully beside you, stress just melts away like it was never there. Every meow is a little heartwarming reminder of how much they adore you. Every little fluff deserves 1,000 kisses, and this guy is delivering. Three tiny fur balls, endless chaos, and 100% adorable energy. This woman is living the dream, surrounded by a fluffy army of cuteness. This little fluff is testing the structural integrity of cardboard. Scientific research, obviously. Their meows are basically saying, feed us now, or face the kitten rebellion. That tiny squeaky meow is like saying, "Human, my ears are for pets, not nibbles." He's focused on work, but the kitten's focused on stealing all his attention. Four kittens on a mission to conquer the world, starting with your heart. Three little replicas of love and fluff, all cuddled up with their mama, perfection. Don't worry, They'll be snuggling and best friends again in 5 minutes. The way it's staring at the camera, it's like, am I cute enough or should I pose? A bottle of milk and a tiny kitten. It's the recipe for maximum cuteness. Looking at this tiny fluff snoozing, you can't help but feel your heart melt.
What you doing, buddy? Are you chilling in your bed? Are you ready to eat?
They're like tiny ninjas, sneaking out for an epic adventure. It's like a perfect little family moment. So much love in one scene. That tiny yawn mid-play. Absolute cuteness overload. It's bedtime, little one. This kitten's dreams must be extra sweet with its teddy by its side. Wow, look at this glow up. From cute to absolutely stunning. Sometimes even the bravest explorers need a helping hand. The big cat's like, what is this tiny chaos machine? That's the face of pure satisfaction and a full belly. This little fluff ball is like, no milk, no go, human. How cute. How is it possible for everything this kitten does to be so cute? Holding this kitten must feel like cradling a cloud of happiness.
Why is it already stinking? Oh my goodness! It already stink! Oh my!
This little travel buddy is having the time of its life. Who could resist that tiny face and those desperate little cries? Watching this tiny angel sleep is the ultimate serotonin boost. Look at them. So much love and fun in one tiny family. Four tiny fluff balls in one place. This is too much cuteness to handle. Someone get a second bottle. This cuteness war needs a truce. This is a whole family of snowballs, so pure and perfect. Once a playful kitten, now a regal beauty. Time flies. Thank you for joining me on this journey of adorable cat moments. From tiny paws to big personalities, every kitty brings a little extra joy into our lives. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite moments, because we all need more cuteness in our day. See you next time for more perfectly sweet adventures.